Hi everybody, welcome to Unit 1. In Unit 1, we will explore the place value concepts. The objective of the first lesson is to recognize that in the multi-digit number, a digit in the one place represents 10 times as much as it represents in the place to its right, and 1/10 of what it represents in the place to its left. Let's look at some examples. Complete the statements. For statement number 1, we are looking for the number that is 10 times as great as 2000. So I will need to take 10 2000s to get my number. So 10 times 2000 is 20,000. So I can state that 20,000 is 10 times as great as 2000. Let's look at the place value chart. We're going to place 20,000 here. Okay, 20,000 has 4 zeros. And now I'm going to look what is happening to my digit 2. So digit 2 is moving from this place value to this place value, which means it's moving one place value to the left. It's getting 10 times bigger. So let's look at statement number 2. We're looking for the number that is 1/10 of 2000. So 10 of these numbers will give me 2000. So I can say what number times 10 is 2000. So I know that 200 times 10 is 2000. So I can state that 200 is 1/10 of 2000. Let's look at the place value chart. We're going to place our 200 here. We're going to observe what is happening with the digit 2. So digit 2 is now moving from this place value to this place value. So it's moving one place value to our right. It's getting 10 times smaller. So I can state here that if my digit is moving to the left, my number is getting 10 times bigger. If my digit is moving one place to the right, then my number is getting 10 times smaller. Okay, let's look at these two examples. 800 is 1/10 of what number? So if 800 is 1/10 of the number, it means that I need 10 of the 800s to get to my number. So 10 times 800 will give me my number, and 10 times 800 is 8,000. So 800 is 1/10 of 8,000. Okay. So the second example, 60,000 is 10 times as great as what number? I'm going to bring the place value chart here. I'm going to place my 60,000 in my place value chart, and 60,000 has 4 zeros. Okay, and now we're looking for the number that is 10 times smaller than this, because this number 60,000 is 10 times greater as our missing number. So to get the number smaller, I have to move one place value to the right to get the number 10 times smaller. So my number would be 6,000. So I can say that 60,000 is 10 times as great as 6,000. Let's look at the last example. Modeling real life. The question is, which city's population is about 10 times the population of New York? So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at the chart. I'm going to look for New York, and it looks like New York has a population of about 40,000. So we're going to place our 40,000 here in the place value chart. 40,000 has 4 zeros, and now we're going to look at the number that is 10 times greater than this. So in order to get the number 10 times greater, our digit will have to move one place value to the left. So 400,000 400,000 is the number that is 10 times greater than 40,000. So we're going to look which city has the population of about 400,000, and Oakland is the city with the population of about 400,000. So we can state that Oakland's population is about 10 times the population of Newark.